Hi everyone. In this video, let's try to explore Power BI Desktop Home tab Transform Data option. Okay. In this, click on Transform Data. It will take you to the Power Query Editor. Power Query Editor is nothing but it helps you to clean your data source. Okay. This is another window which will open inside Power BI Desktop. Okay. For example, you have a data source in your Excel workbook, text, or any website. Okay. That data source need not to be in a clean format, okay, not a proper data type, proper values, okay, proper columns, proper headers. It may be messy. Okay, in that case you can simply take the draw data into your Power BI desktop. With the help of Power Query Editor you can able to clean and transform it. Okay, once it clean, it's very easy to create a report visuals here. Okay, that's what we are using this Power Query Editor to clean the data. Okay, open the Power Query Editor. Let's explore the options one by one. Okay, new source. New source option will help you to get any new data sources here. Okay, for example, I already have one Excel workbook here. I want to include another text document. In that case, click on this new source and text or CSV files. It will take you to the File Explorer. Select your text document and click on open. That will be imported here. Now you can perform your clean and transforming operations here. Okay, to include the new resources you can click on this option. Next one, recent resources. Okay, this option will help you to reduce the work time. For example, you want to include any data, each time you don't need to go and select the data type and then get your data, search in the File Explorer, then get your data. This is something a long process. To reduce this, click on the recent resources. It will list down the resources which is used recently. Okay, from that you can pick it up one which you need. That's what the recent resources will help you. For example, I am clicking the all sales.csv. Okay, it connecting instantly. Here you can see it connecting instantly. No need to perform any other operations, searching operations and all. Okay. And next one, enter data. There may be any data sources which is not available for you exactly as a Excel, text workbook or SharePoint. Okay, the data maybe you need to create instantly. In that case you can click on this enter data. Here you can manually type your data instantly. For example, I am giving date and day. I need the data instantly, so I am clicking on this 26 Tuesday. Okay, you can create a data like this instantly. Click on OK. It will create the table instantly for you. Okay, this is what the enter data option will help you to create a data without any prior data sources. And data source setting, already I have uploaded the video, separate video for this. You can refer that. And next option, manage parameters, we can see it in separately. Refresh preview. When you click on refresh preview, you may be done many steps here. Okay, when you click on refresh preview, it will load and refresh the data and give you the clean updated data for you. Okay, and properties will give you the query properties. For example, this table name is today, and the description, if you want anything you can give description for this, so that the next developer can be have any knowledge on that. Okay, and two options are the enable load to report, including report refresh. Those are clicked. We loaded this to the report and click on advanced editor. Okay, why this option, what will do? Okay, actually this is a M code editor. Okay, for example, let's see, this is the code format of this Power Query editor. Okay, this is the UI format. For example, here I am just using first row as a header. Okay, so my first row changed into my header. Okay, In this case, click on this advanced editor. Now you can see promoted to headers. One code is added. So that what are the steps you are doing in this UI environment, that will be displayed as a code here. Here you can see only 3 lines of code are there. Now when I try to use this as a first editor, now you can see this promoted headers as steps added as a code here. Okay, this will be helpful when you want to do any changes in code view, or you want to do some debugging options or any error rectifying options. You can use this advanced editor. Okay, now go to the product table, click on manage. Here you can see you can able to delete the table, duplicate the table, refresh the table, okay, reference the table. Okay, these options can be performed in this manage option. Click on this product, manage, delete. I am deleting this product to table. Okay, now next option is choose columns. Okay, in choose columns you can see two options are there: choose columns, go to columns. Now let's try to click on choose columns. In this case, here for example, imagine you have 100 to 1000 columns out there. In that case, selecting the particular column is very much difficult for you just by scrolling down right and left. Okay, you can see by scrolling down right and left, you want to select any particular column, you need to search for that. It's very difficult for you. In that case, you can click on this choose columns and it will list down all the columns required for you. You can click on select all columns or unselect all columns. For particular column, you can select and have it here. Okay, that's what the choose column will help you out to select the particular columns in your editor. And go to column. As I mentioned, each time scrolling and seeing the particular column data is difficult. So go to the option, go to column, click on customer name. Now it automatically take you to that particular customer name column. Okay. And if you want to remove any particular column, imagine I don't want this sale data in my table. In this case, click on remove columns, remove this particular column. Okay, that step will be added. In right step, what are the steps you are performing, all the steps will be added in this applied steps box. Okay, if you don't want that step, you want to undo that, you can simply click on this int mark so that that step can be undo. Imagine that you don't want to remove this particular sale date column. You want this particular sale date column, you want to remove all other columns. Okay, in that case, if you manually selecting, pressing control and selecting each column will takes time, and maybe mistakenly you need to hold that key. So what you can do, simply select what column you need and click on remove columns, remove other columns, so that other columns got removed easily. You don't need to select each and every columns. Okay, this is what the remove columns option will help you. Likewise, keep rows and remove rows will work as a choose columns and remove columns. For example, I need to keep this 10th row. In that case, keep rows. Here you can see all the options are there. Keep top rows, bottom rows, range of rows, keep duplicates, keep errors. For example, I want to keep the top rows, click on the top rows. How many number of top rows you need? I need the first 5 row data. That case, click on 5. You can see first 5 data will be given here. I am removing this step. Again, I need last 5 rows data. In that case, go to keep rows, keep bottom rows. How many bottom rows? only the 5 bottom rows I need. Can give 5 and click on OK. Now bottom 5 row data only available. Removing this step. Now imagine I need to have in middle of the data a specific range. In that case, keep range of rows. Okay, first row, for example, I need from 4 to 6. In that case, first row is 4. I need 4th row, 5th row, 6th row. Okay, number of rows 3. This case 4th row, 5th row, 6th row. Okay, for specific, removing this step, specific range of data you can give keep range of rows. Now you want to keep duplicates, only the duplicated data will be given, but here all are unique, so the table is empty. For example, I am selecting this category and keep rows, keep duplicates. So the duplicated data will be available here. And no errors are there, so the table is empty. If you have any errors, that error row only be kept. Okay. Now likewise, in remove rows, all the operations are same. If you want to remove top rows, how many top rows you want to remove? I want to remove 2 top rows. Click on OK. 1, 2. Okay, 1001, 1002 got removed. Remaining all are there. Remove this step. Now I need to remove bottom 6 rows. In that case 1, 2, 3, 4 will be available. I want to remove alternate rows. Okay, first row you want to remove which one? Let's imagine I need to remove the 4th row. Number of rows to remove, I want to remove 3 rows. Number of rows to keep, 2 rows. Okay, in that case in 4th row it will remove the 3 rows. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 3 rows it removed, keep 2 rows, 7, 8 it will keep. Like that, if you want to have any formula, any the particular order, you can give this remove alternate rows. And remove duplicates. Here no duplicates are there. For example, if you want to remove duplicates, if you give remove duplicates, only the electronics furniture are there. Okay, duplicates rows got removed. You can see remaining electronic furniture, only one unique is kept. Remove blank rows, remove errors. If in your table any blank rows are there, you can keep that or remove that by using these options. And coming to this table, this is I want to sort this. Okay, ZA means reversely it got sorted. A to Z means it will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, imagine just you want to confirm what column you are selecting. Okay, according to that only these options will be work. If I select this product name and click on Z to A, this will be reverse sorted, or ascending or descending it will be sorted. Okay, in this case subcategory item I am selecting, it will be changing according to that particular column, so that the column selecting is important before you doing any of these options. Okay.